Hi, this is Rick from DuraCoat. Today we're going to do some camouflage. And when you get your DuraCoat, you're going to get a template and a camo pack. And this would be called a camo pack plus, but you can buy both of these separately and you can switch the colors around if you'd like. And here's some of our camouflages here. The colors and the patterns are pretty much up to you how you want to lay them down and how to make them look. And let's start out with step one, which would be getting the base coat. And then move on to step two, which would be getting it, finding yourself a nice shape. And then find where you want that, but try to make it straight. And you want to go with the plane of the gun. Something like this doesn't really matter, but if there are more straight lines in there, you're going to want it more parallel to the plane of the gun. Okay, that takes care of step two. And that would be as of here. And then we would spray the next color. There's the next coat. On this one we would add, without taking the stencils off, we would add more templates and then we would coat another color. Then once that is dry, on this 4 color, you would peel all the templates off and that would take us up to here. And at this point I would use an adhesive template remover. And then we go to the next one. You would use the female template, which is the that one there. You would put them on and then you just simply spray in the color. You'd have to watch to make sure you don't get any overspray on the outside. Then you would remove them and you'd have a finished product here. All you have to do is rub it down with some template adhesive remover and give it a clear coat, and then you are done. It's pretty simple to use the DuraCoat template system.